and I also serve in the music ministry. Can I share with you a story? When I was 10 years old, I loved to play outside. I was this small, enthusiastic, payatot na bata. And for some reason, my brothers called me Solar Boy. One day, my mom and I decided to play outside. We decided to play badminton outside. And it was kind of a different day because today I wasn't playing with my friends. Today I was playing with my mom. And I cannot imagine the excitement I was feeling that day. So, wow, mami ko naglaro ko. So as we were hitting the shuttlecock, back, 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 ganun. Then, at one possession, nung hinampas niya yung shuttlecock, hindi ko siya masalo. Because of my small arms, hindi ko masalo yung shuttlecock and it accidentally landed on my arm. And sabi na, ay, sakit. Then I just let it go. Then we go on, we played, nagkampas-ampas kayo, pa. Ganun. Then, another possession, biglang tinamaan na naman ako ng shuttlecock. The shuttlecock was flying straight to me, hindi tinamaan ako sa chest ko. I was being hit kasi hindi ko siya masalo. And I was starting to feel frustrated. Talagang nagsisimula na kumulo yung dugo. Ba't ako tinatamaan ni Ma? Then I just let it go again. And then, suddenly, as my mom was hitting the shuttlecock, she smashed the shuttlecock. And guess what? It accidentally landed on my face. And at that moment, I burst out. Sobrang, nagtantrums na ako. Ano ba yan, Ma? Ba't mo pa ako tinatamaan? Sakit-sakit na nga eh. Ba't mo pa ako tinatamaan? And then nagtatantrums na ako. I was being mad at her. I told her, ayoko na maglaro. Pasok na ako sa bahay. I don't want to play anymore. Then my mom, she suddenly went up to me and inabot niya sa akin yung shuttlecock. Sabi niya, oh, ganti ka na lang. Then without hesitation, because of my anger, because of my frustration, kinuha ko yung shuttlecock and sabi ko, tinato siya. And then, sabi ko, dalawa pa. Tatlong beses ako tinamaan, di ba? Then I got the shuttlecock, I threw it to her again, and for the last time, I got it again, and then I threw it to her. Grabe ako. But, suddenly, after I threw that last shuttlecock, I was still feeling angry. But my mom, she went up to me, and she just embraced me. I felt the warmth of her arms around me. I smelled her fragrance, mabango kahit pawis, and I heard a soft whisper in my ear. She said, sorry babe, love you babe. And at that moment, nawala na lahat. All my anger, all my frustration was all lost. Friends, God is like my mom. Maybe at some point in our lives, we hit rock bottom. Dami nating problema, we're so frustrated, we are hurt, we are being hit by life's storms and problems. And all we do, because of our frustration, because of our anger, because of our weaknesses, we throw our stones to our God. We do some things that's against His will. We do things to hurt Him. But you know what? God will still embrace us, even if we hurt Him. Because He just loves us totally, completely, and perfectly. Just like how my mom loves me. She loves me totally, completely, and perfectly. And because of her love, I can feel God's acceptance. Because of her love, I can feel God's embrace. And because of her love, I can feel God's total, complete, and perfect love for me. Because she just simply loves me. She is Jesus to me. I'd like to read a love letter for my mom who's here. Dear Mom, thank you for being Jesus to me. Thank you for letting me experience God's love every day. Thank you for loving me totally, completely, and perfectly. Thank you for being strong amidst all the trials and storms in your life. I know you've been through a lot. You've felt unloved. You've been betrayed. You've been emotionally battered. I know even right now you're going through something. But I still thank you for choosing to love us every day. I thank you for showing God's love to me. And I swear that you will never have to feel alone. You never have to feel betrayed. You never have to feel unwanted. Because I'm here. We are here. And I will love you totally, completely, and perfectly for the rest of my life. Just like how you love me. Happy Mother's Day.